YouTube, what's up? It's the kid, Tito, back with another video. Today we about to be doing tie-in rods for the 04 Max, as you see in the back. Before we get started though, just wanted to say thanks for all the love and support we've been getting on this channel. For those that have been liking, commenting, and subscribing, appreciate that. We're up to 16 subscribers, 16. Definitely though, that means a lot, you know. If you know anybody interested in doing a HR swap like the one I just did, referring back to this channel, I greatly appreciate it, you know what I'm saying, just so they can see a how-to step-by-step guide on doing that. So without any further ado, man, we're about to jump into these tie-in rods, get them changed out, and then one step closer to getting on the road, man. Yeah, ride with your boy. All right, y'all. So I figure we're gonna get started. Before we do, tools you're gonna need your replacement tie-in rod. Wherever you decide to get them, get them. Got mine off Amazon, like 22 bucks, 30 bucks for a set. You're gonna need some WD-40 or whatever penetrating oil that you guys got just to get between the lock nut and the actual tie-in rod. You're gonna need a 22 millimeter wrench to get onto this locking in nut. All right. You're also going to need mule near, or in my case, husky, big husky. And then you're going to need a size 19 socket to get at the nut underneath the tie-in rod, and then a set of pliers to pull the pin out. So you're about to go ahead and get that started. All right, so I went ahead and already had the nut off, but essentially there's gonna be a cotter pin. You're gonna straighten that out and then pull it out with your pliers. You're gonna take your socket, the impact or ratchet, take that off. You may or may not have to give the knuckle some love taps with your hammer. Boom, 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 boom. And it'll pop up like so. All right, so what I ended up doing was those steps, and then prior to me actually taking this off, I went ahead and I sprayed this down with WD-40, was the penetrating oil that I used. Took my hammer, I actually brought it down here some. Hold on 1 second. Took my hammer, big husky, and kept hitting it till I knocked it loose. And then now that it's loose, you pretty much want to count your turns so you know exactly how many turns you did. So for this car it was 17. So 1, 2, 15, 16, 17. That's important because you really, if you end up taking off your lock nut, at least you know that you can kind of keep your alignment as best as you can by counting the times that you actually have to thread in the tie-in rod. And then you can adjust your lock nut back afterward. So, yeah, I'm about to make a video putting it back on, and we'll do the other side. Yeah. All right, so we on there. See the cotter pin. Let me try to focus that in there. Boom, cotter pin, tie-in rod. So, wait, this is the final video. I didn't record me putting it on there. All right, so we'll just put that on the next video for the other side. Yep. All right. Tie rod. Got the bag. So 1, 2, 3, 19. All right. Thread that joker in. All right, take this by hand back to lock it in. So for me, it's not really too much of a big deal because I'm gonna get an alignment anyway. So for those of you who aren't, definitely want to keep track of how many thread turns you got. So now we're gonna put the locking nut on. All right, so either impact or socket. I've got both, so I'll just go with the socket here. Get on there tight, but you want to make sure the holes match the grooves so you know exactly where to slide your cotter pin through. Cotter pin to hole. So that fits right there. Let's actually do it this way. On the side. Okay, pliers. All right, well, there you go. So only thing left to do now is you're gonna put the tires back on, lower the car, and do a quick test run. So yeah. Appreciate y'all for helping me help you change your tie and rods on your 04 Max. Same steps pretty much for any car with a tie and rod, which is all of them. So yeah, ride with your boy. See you next vid.